Kids World Discovery. Have fun!
Hello guys, today we're gonna make this cute bunny face. Look how cute it is. Let's start. First of all, I have this origami paper which is 15 centimeter like this and 15 centimeter like this. So let's start. So now let's fold it and make a nice triangle like this. Now we are going to make ears for the bunny. So let's fold it another turn and sharp fold like this. Make sure it's absolutely sharp, because the more sharper it is, it will give a very good effect. Now we're gonna fold it one more time like this, sharp fold again, then turn it around, one more fold like this. Yes, so we're gonna fold it like this and turn it around, so our face is ready. Now we're gonna make head. To make a head, you have to turn it this way. So let's open a little bit more and sharp bend, then this and then this. Now we have to make chin. To make a chin, we have to fold it like this. See guys, our bunny face is ready, right? So now let's do some coloring. We have to make eyes, nose and mouth and ears. For coloring, we're going to make eyes. So let's make eyes. For eyes, I'm gonna use this stencil. In this stencil, I have number 8, which is this one over here. This. You can create any shape if you want, but I am deciding to make 8, a circle. One circle, and then we're going to make another circle. So now we're going to make nose. Now we're going to make So guys, I made eyes, nose. Let's make mouth as this is over here. To create that, I'm just gonna do it like this and like this. I think this is looking cute. What do you say? So let's color it with black sketch pen. Now we're gonna color mouth with the white marker. We can color his nose with a pink color, which is this one I have. Now let's do some artwork on ears. Let's make ears. For ears, what we're going to do, we're going to make a big round like this, another big round like this. Now we're gonna do it with black sketch pen. After this, we're going to color it with the pink colors. For the eyes, what we can do, we can make a big black circle like this. They have done it. So let's do it this way. So our cute bunny face is ready. For the eyes, you can either draw the way I have done it, or you can use googly eyes. So I'll show you how to use the googly eyes. So all we have to do, we're gonna take this, our glue, gonna rub it on it, and then just paste it there, and try to cover my eyes, the one I have drawn. There you go, guys. My cute bunny face is ready.
Click on the bell icon and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have fun!